The milk plant that we ship to is actually a niche milk plant called Red Barn Family Farms. So we actually get paid a premium on taking better care of the animals. The better we take care of them, the more we get paid. So like we get paid if they're walking good, we get paid if we don't lose too many animals, we get paid better. We're also Humane Association certified through Red Barn. So they come out and make sure that we're taking the best care of the animals that we can, that they have clean water, that they're always bedded, that we don't have any sharp fences or things like that.